Hello friends, I received this medical device. I have to tell you that this was very expensive 20 years ago. Was $20,000. And I received this because you can see this connector is broken, USB connector. I hope you can see it. Now let's open. Let's replace the bad connector and let's see what we have inside. Now let's take the cover out and let's see what we have inside. I always wondered what can have this inside because it's very expensive. And I have to say it's high quality and was a lot of work here. Now let's replace USB connector. It seems that I am very lucky because it's a standard USB-A connector and I have this for parts and it's identical, this one with this one. Now I have to replace it. So I've took out, this is the good one, and I've took one, this is the bad one, and now I have to replace it. So I've put the new one and now I just have to solder the new connector. Now I just have to put everything back and let's hope it works. Let's see if so position is good. We can put everything back. So I put everything back and I will make a test, but this should definitely work. If you know how this works and if you know why this USB was put inside, I believe it's some kind of protection, proprietary protection, so this cannot be cloned. If you have any idea how this works, please write it in a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.